Hey everyone, welcome back to where we explore the best health hacks and delicious recipes that nourish your body and mind. Today we're diving into a sweet, refreshing and healthy beverage, peach tea. If you love the natural sweetness of peaches combined with the health benefits of tea, this one is for you, so grab a cup and let's get started. Peach tea is a delightful drink that brings together the flavor of ripe peaches with your favorite teas. Whether you choose black tea, green tea or herbal tea as your base, adding peach flavor, whether from fresh peaches, syrup or juice, gives it a sweet, fruity twist that's perfect for any occasion. The best part, not only does it taste amazing, but it also comes with several health benefits. Let's break down the amazing health benefits that peach tea has to offer. Whether you're using black or green tea, peach tea is packed with antioxidants. These antioxidants help fight free radicals, reducing oxidative stress in your body and supporting your overall health. Peaches are rich in vitamin C, which plays a key role in strengthening your immune system. This powerful vitamin helps your body produce white blood cells, protecting you from infections and illnesses. Peach tea, especially when mixed with herbal teas like ginger or chamomile, can help ease digestive issues such as bloating or indigestion. Peaches also provide fiber, which supports gut health and keeps your digestive system running smoothly. Need a hydrating drink? Peach tea is naturally refreshing and low in calories when unsweetened, making it perfect for those hot summer days or for anyone looking to stay hydrated without consuming too many calories. The antioxidants and vitamins A and C found in peaches help improve skin health, giving you that natural glow. Regularly drinking peach tea can help fight signs of aging and keep your skin looking fresh and healthy. Peach tea, especially when made with green or black tea, has been shown to lower cholesterol levels, which can improve heart health. Peaches themselves are rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and supports cardiovascular function. And if you're looking to manage your weight, peach tea is a fantastic choice. Unsweetened or lightly sweetened, it's a low-calorie option that can curb your appetite, keeping those cravings in check. Now that you know all about its benefits, let's get to the fun part, making your own peach tea at home. It's super easy and only takes a few minutes. Boil 4 cups of water and steep your tea bags for 5 to 7 minutes. While the tea is steeping, slice your peaches. Remove the tea bags and add the peach slices to the tea. Let the peaches infuse for another 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how strong you want the flavor. Once done, strain the tea and allow it to cool. Serve over ice for a refreshing iced peach tea or enjoy it warm. Optionally, add honey or sweetener to taste. That's it. Your delicious peach tea is ready to enjoy. It's perfect whether you're sipping it by the pool on a sunny day or enjoying it warm during a cozy evening. Peach tea is not only tasty, but it also offers a wide range of health benefits that make it a great addition to your daily routine. So why not give it a try? And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up, share this recipe with your friends, and subscribe to Calwain Health TV for more health tips and recipes. Check out our description box below for more info and product recommendations, and let us know in the comments how your peach tea turned out. See you in the next video.